Is this baby eating bread? Need a smaller piece? Get you a small enough piece. Let's get it stuck in there. Let's get it put in your mouth. Oh, we dropped some. Sounds like you got it. Come on, take it. Quit crawling and just take the food. Oh, he wants to make a potty. Okay. Make a potty. I understand. That takes precedence. When Moose gets to make potty. When Moose gets to make potty, then he just has to make potty. Daddy wants to feed you his bread. Hey, come here. Eat the bread. Did you get it? Oh, he drank the water. Did you see that? That baby drank the water all by himself. Take the bread, little baby. Come on, little baby. Take the bread. Oh, you dropped the bread. Back in your mouth, little baby. Why don't you take it all in there? Just give me a small piece.